Today, I am here to discuss about triangle congruence, postulates, and theorem governing acute triangles. So, let's start! The first postulate, SSS, or the side-side-side. The second postulate, SAS, or the side-angle-side. Third postulate, ASA, or the angle-side-angle. The first and last theorem governing acute triangles, AAS, or the angle-angle side. The first postulate, SSS, or the side-side-side. Here are the two triangles, for example, the first triangle and the second triangle. Based on the illustration, the three sides of the triangle has signs that shows congruence. These signs allows us to know that the three sides are congruent like what's shown. SSS postulate states that if three sides of one triangle are congruent to the three sides of another triangle, then these two triangles are congruent. Based on the illustration, it clearly shows the congruence of the two triangles. Second postulate, SAS, or side-angle-side postulate. Here are two acute triangles again, for example, the first triangle and the second triangle. Based on these illustrations, the two sides of the first triangle and its included angle has signs that shows congruence to the first two sides and the included angle of the second triangle. These signs again allows us to know the congruence of each part of the said triangles. SAS states that if two sides and the included angle of one triangle, these are congruent to two sides, and the included angle of another triangle, then these two triangles are congruent. So we can now say that these two triangles are congruent. The third and the last postulate, ASA, or the angle-side-angle postulate. Here are the two acute triangles, for example, the first triangle and the second triangle. Based on the illustration, the two angles of the triangle and its included side. Remember, it's included side. Included side is the side between two angles, has signs that shows congruence. These signs allows us to know that the two angles and the included side of the two triangles are congruent. ASA postulate states that if two angles and the included side of one triangle is congruent to the two angle and the included side of another triangle, then these two triangles are congruent. AAS, or angle-angle side theorem. Here are the two acute triangles again, for example, the first triangle and the second triangle. Based on the illustration, the two angles and its corresponding side is congruent to the another two angles and the corresponding side of the another triangle. Remember, the corresponding side. The corresponding side is the side after two angles. After two angles, it may be here or here. But in this illustration, it is here and it is here. These signs allows us to know that these two triangles are congruent. AAS theorem states that if two angles and the corresponding side of one triangle is congruent to another two angles and the corresponding side of another triangle, then these two triangles are congruent. Thanks for watching and hope you learned something from me about congruent triangles, especially acute triangles, because it's only my lesson. So if any of you have still confusions about the topic, don't be shy to repeat the topic until you learn how to do the comparing of triangles and knowing either it's congruent or not.